wait for you to get in your house safely. Because my whole thing is, I feel like that shows a judgment of character. Anytime I drop somebody off, I like to make sure they get in their house nice and safely, because you never know what's going on inside someone's house. Like, you never know if someone broke into someone's house and your friend get in there, some BS happened. Like, I like to wait a little bit, like, 30 seconds to make sure shit's good, and then I leave. Like, people has dropped me off, and they don't even make sure I get in safely, and I'm like, oh, you a big ass friend, you a bad person, because I feel like it's like a genuine characteristic. It just shows that you care about somebody when you wait for them to get in their house safely. Like, I don't know if it's just a me thing, but I think it's rude if you don't make sure someone is fine, especially when it's like nighttime. Like, you don't make sure they get in good and safe, like, so you're more concerned about you. Like, there's nothing wrong about being concerned about you, but like, I don't know, it's just weird to me that people do not make sure people enter their homes safely. Like I say, you never know what can happen. Like, you be hearing incidents where girls be walking into their apartments and there's a guy following right behind them. Like, you gotta be careful and cautious. That's why I always make sure anybody I'm chilling with, I drop them off. I make sure they get in their house safely. If it's nighttime, I even put my high beams on, depending on how the house is made, so they can see to put their key in the door. Like, that's just me. So like I said, if someone doesn't make sure you get in the house safely, don't trust their ass. But thank you for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Ha 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 ha. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That bell. That bell. That what? Hit that bell. That bell. That bell. Hey, and it's Friday. And it's Friday. Enjoy your weekend. Ha. Enjoy your weekend. Ha. Hey. Fuck it up. Fuck it up. Hey. Fuck it up. Ha ha ha. No, I'm just kidding. Thank you guys so much for watching. Mwah. 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 Until